Guys, welcome back to part 2 of this work. So after getting your flower, this is what you do. Next, going to use this color, which is green, to make double crochets at the edges. Okay, so I'm making double crochets right from here throughout the edges. Okay, and this work you can use any color of your choice, okay, to make this. Okay, so I'm making double crochet throughout the edges. So any stitch row that you find there, just make a double crochet. Any stitch row, just make a double crochet. All stitch row, make a double crochet. Make a double crochets. Okay. Here, make a double crochet, make a double crochet, make a double crochet. So you get to this part. So at the end, I'm making a single crochet to put it in place. Let me take my stitch marker off. Then in between the petals, just make single crochets in each of the stitch rows that you have there. Okay. Then at the base, you start with your double crochet. Okay, so we are on a different panel or petal now, so we are making double crochet into any stitch row that you find there. So let's do that, and so we get to where we started from. But always remember to make single crochets when you get in between the petals. Okay, this side. Okay, so let's do that. Yes, so after filling all the space, this is what you should be getting. Okay, so this is my work. Now I'm going to join all these petals together. Okay, so just join it with a single crochet, or you just get your threaded needles just to join the base up to where the increasing is done. Okay, so not up to the edge. Okay, so just up to where your increasing ends. Okay, so make the single crochets, and I said you can use your threaded needle just to see the together. Okay, so you make your single crochet, this is joining the two pieces, and always join it from the inside or the negative part of your work. Okay, so that your joining will not be visible from the front. Okay, so I'm going to end here. This way the increasing ends. So this way I'm going to end. I cut off my excess and I tie the yarn to keep it in place. Okay, so this is my joining, cut off any excess. Okay, so you can see that the joining was done outside and it's invisible from the front. Okay, so you're going to do the joining for all the petals, and this is what I have after joining them. Look at the back. Okay, so this is the front. You make 3 of these. Okay, 2 for your top and for your down, and 2 for the skirt and 1 for the top of your work. Okay, so we take 1 of the panels, sorry, 2 of the panels, and join them together like how I'm going to do it. So always make sure the joining is done at the negative part of your work. Okay, so this work, you're going to join the pieces and you're going to leave just one part so that we get freedom. We will be free enough to move our legs. So we are going to join the side like this parts and this parts, leaving only 2 panels open so that our legs can successfully good. Okay, so let's turn to the negative side. So we put both the positive side facing each other so that we get our negative part like this. Now this part is best to use your threaded needle to join it. Okay, so using a single crochet might not help you here, so just get your threaded needle with the same color, which is green, and you just join the side, leaving only 2 of the partners. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, so I'm joining it. Remember, this video, this tutorial, I didn't use the pattern from the owner. I just figured it out and made it in all way. So if you buy her pattern, I mean, it's definitely going to be different, and it's going to be of more detailed and easier. Okay, and I know that she's also having a video of this one, so you can check out her pattern, written pattern, and her video, and yeah, it will be good to go. Okay, so I'm going to see this part, leaving only the 2 panels at the end. Okay. Okay, so after sealing it up, this is what I have. Okay, so you see that I've left 2 of the panels out like this. Okay, so that our legs or pie will go through it. Okay, so you turn your work like this so that you get your front part successfully showing neatly. Yes, so this is what we are going to do. Now I'm going to this part is going to serve as the waist part. Okay, so this is going to be the side, and this where your legs are going to go through. Now I'm going to cause kind of increments at the waist part. Okay, this part, and I'm going to make double crochet just to increase it a bit so that I can use a chain of just to hold my work. Okay, so I'm making a double crochet at the edges like this, only that side. Okay, so you start from here, you yarn over, pull your yarn through just to fix it with a single crochet. Then you start by making your double crochet into each of the spaces that you have. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm making 2 double crochets into each, 2 double crochet into the first stitch row, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch row, 2 double crochet into the next one. So I'm alternating between 2 double crochet into a stitch and 1 double crochet into a stitch. Okay, so just to have a wider waist. Okay, we don't want our waist to be smaller. Okay, we just want some space between it. Okay, so I'm making this throughout so I get to where I started from. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the same stitch row. Of course, you can ignore it and make 1 double crochet. That's because we want it to be a bit wider than our flower. That's why we are making 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet. So you finish it up by going around like this. Okay, so this is our first row. Then we are going to go around again, or if it's about so you're going to go around again, making your double crochet. And this time I'm not going to make 2 double crochets. I'm making only 1 double crochet in 1 stitch hole. 1 double crochet in 1 stitch hole. We've already caused the increments, so you just make 1 to 1 like that. Okay, so at the end, this is what you have. Now you make a long chain, then you fix your yarn through. Okay, like this. Okay, your chain that you have created, depending on how long you want your chain to be. So here we go. Yeah, so this is work. So our skirt is done. When you wear it, you just pull it up and tie, and that's it. Now, after making your skirt, let's move on to the top part of our work, and we are going to use the last panel that we created. Okay, so this is skirt. Let's put it aside. Okay, so there's it. Now, let's take the next one, which is going to form the top part of our work. The top two is also very simple. This is going to form the neck hole, and the side is going to form the armhole. So with the armholes, you have to first insert your yarn at the one of the edges like this. Okay, make sure it is well fixed with the single crochet. Then you make your chain depending on how big you want your armhole to be. Okay, so you make your chain and you fix it to the next petal that you have like this. Okay, then you make single crochet to fix it here. Okay, then you continue making your chain, and this chain is going to go way to the back. Okay, after making your chain, you send it and fix it back to where you started from like this. Okay, so we are kind of creating an armhole where we are going to create our sleeves. Okay, so this one, so you make your single crochet to fix it here. Okay, and the chain depends on how wide or how big you want your sleeves to be. So this is how wide I want my sleeves to be. Okay, so this is the armhole. Now the next, you're going to make meshes. Okay, so you chain 3, you skip 3, in the 4th you make a double crochet. We chain 3, we skip 3, in the 4th stitch row you make a double crochet. We chain 3, skip 3, in the 4th we make a double crochet. So you are making this all over the armhole. Okay, so where we get to where we started from, and after that, this is what we have. Now the next row is a mesh kind of thing, so you just make your double crochet in the mesh row that you have. Okay, you chain 3, then you make a double crochet into the next mesh row. Chain 3, make a double crochet into the next mesh row. So this is just how to make a normal mesh. Okay, so you're just going to go round and round until it is long enough to cover one of your arm. Okay, when you're done, you just go directly opposite this one and you make, okay, so after, so I'm not, it was this what I have. Then I'm going to get to the, so this part is going to be the neck and this one is going to be the armhole again. Okay, so you do one over here, then one over here. Okay, so that this place will be your neck hole for you. And at the end, guys, this is what you should be getting after successfully making the sleeves. You should be getting something like this. Then just get a long chain and use it to hold, crisscross at the back to hold the 2 sleeves together, and you're good to go, guys. Isn't this so beautiful and easy to make? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.